Today we're going through another test sheet, and this client wasn't successful in passing a driving assessment. So we'll go in detail what she should have done and what she didn't do correctly, and for which reasons she failed. So this candidate ended up going through one section only, so didn't go through the rest of the 4 sections because the assessor discontinued driving assessment. Candidate required assistance intervention to avoid a potentially dangerous situation. Candidate disobeys the traffic regulation that immediately or potentially threatens safety. Candidate causes a crisis or potential crisis. Applied the dual brakes as candidate failed to give way to oncoming car before turning right. Creates a potential crisis as candidate fails to notice the indicator of the bus that has begun to move and overtakes. So there was a car coming from opposite direction where she attempted to overtake the bus. So we'll briefly go through what she's gone through. So basically did not satisfy any of the criteria. So I'm going to go separately through what she did. So that's basically all in the first section, which is a normal driving point to point. She looked late that she was merging. We encourage candidates to check the blind spot before the expiry of the line if there's a line dividing the 2 lanes where there's emerging traffic, or if there's no line dividing the 2 lanes where we believe that the road is starting to narrow into 1 lane out of the 2 lanes. Flow, so once disobeys, stop, give way, or regulations, it's a bit unclear, uncertain of obligations, intersection, so sometimes it's so brief that you can't really guess what it is, and candidates usually wouldn't remember, and the assessors sometimes would briefly go through all of this. And given the circumstances, the student is still nervous, they wouldn't really memorize everything what they've been told inside of the car. From what I'm reading here, I can't really guess exactly what happened here. So disobeys, stop, give way, or regulations, uncertain of obligations / intersection, assessor comment. People complain about the actual remark when they say assessor comment. What did they comment? Why don't they just put down what's been commented? Overtakes the moving bus when there's oncoming traffic. Obviously what I've explained earlier, there was a car from opposite direction. Candidate says that she fails to notice the indicator on the moving bus. Also, once disobeys, stop, give way, or regulations again, fails to give way to traffic, intersection, assessor comment, assessor intervened. Even if they intervene verbally, such as you got to wait, or you got to stop, or you got to switch off the indicator, whatever it might be, it is considered as an immediate fail. Okay, so movement, she was okay. Path, fails to track accurately, scrapes curb, turning left or right. It's not a big thing, but obviously she lost a point there as well. And under the vehicle management, steering and gear clutch brake error. This was in the manual car, and we confronted the assessor, who claimed that she stalled and then when she was trying to restart, that she hasn't pushed the clutch in to start and the car launched forward, which could not have happened. When the assessor was asked by the instructor, how could that have happened? Because in that particular vehicle, you've got to press the clutch in order to crank over. So, obviously, if you don't press the clutch, it's not going to start. So we only assumed that she started the car and then, roughly and obviously suddenly they pressed the clutch. A question by one of our students' parents was that, if they don't know exactly what happened in this particular situation, how would they know if there's something more serious? I mean, are they really competent, to carry out these assessments? So, it's not our, obviously, place to judge the ability to assess, but obviously the parents asked those questions, rightfully, and there's no offence in, saying that, if they didn't intercept what exactly happened in this particular situation, how would they, intercept anything potentially more dangerous and, I suppose more important than that. So basically he says, does not depress clutch, general driving assessor comment, starts the engine without pressing the clutch. The car was in the gear and the car launched forward. So, it just doesn't happen. So in this particular vehicle, it was not possible to, to start the engine without pushing the clutch all the way to the bottom. So basically there's a switch that gets activated when you push the clutch all the way to the floor. which allows the engine to crank over once you turn the key. So, clearly the assessor perceived that that's what happened. It clearly didn't happen. We hope that this test sheet analysis will help you to prevent these things from happening to you. Try to keep your expectations low and keep focus on what you're doing at that particular time while you're driving a car, while you're inside of the driving test, sitting in the car with the driving test, examiner. So we thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.